Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
World War II veterans to protest on Saturday. The Association of World War II Veterans is going to mark the 69th anniversary of the February March with a protest on Saturday. Members of the association will start the protest at 3 points: in front of the Universal Hall, outside the Macedonian Academy of Sciences and Arts and the old railway stations, march on Macedonia Square and continue towards the monument commemorating the freedom fighters who lost their lives in World War II near the government's building. Around 20 buses from several Macedonian towns will arrive in Skopje. All of the 34 municipal organizations have been activated. Political party Dignity is to join the protest.